In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can use Microsoft Edge in full screen mode. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge under the best match, maximize it. Then here we just need to simply click on the three dots on the top right corner, and here we can find zoom. And you can find this symbol full screen, click on that. And now you are in a full screen in your Microsoft Edge. So if you want to exit the full screen, just simply press the escape key on keyboard. Okay? And then you're good to go, huh? So that's how you can easily go to the full screen in your Microsoft Edge. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.